Hi Jonathan, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you a short educational video about your business. You're probably asking why I'm sending this. Well, I realize small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. I know you said you're going through some health issues right now, and I'm so sorry you are. But when you are able to get back to it, I hope that this is helpful for you. Some people will do the things that I show them in the video themselves. Some people will contact me. Either way is fine. It's just to educate you and help you out with a easy attack plan. I'm going to be covering 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First thing I'm going to do is go over the content on your page. Right now I'm looking for the number of words that you have on your home page. The reason I'm doing this is because content is king to Google, and essentially it gives you more authority. So looking at the words you have, it's probably only around 100 words or so on your home page, so not a whole lot of words. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I went ahead and I typed in a nearby town to you. I know you're in Perkins. I chose Augusta, which is a bigger town. But I went ahead and typed in construction company Augusta, Georgia. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific and location specific. Service specific in the fact that I'm looking for a construction company. Location specific that I'm looking in Augusta, Georgia. So looking at the first result here, we have a Google Map pack, and this is where 30% of consumers will choose one of these top businesses to perform their service. Below that, we have the organic search results here that Google has, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses on the first page to perform their service. And below that, it's usually here on the bottom and also the top are Google, where 5 to 10% of consumers will choose a business there for their service. Alright, so I was looking for a local company, and the first one that comes up organically is ACC Construction Company, and I went ahead and brought them up here. So looking at their content on their page, they don't have a whole lot either. It's very simple layout, very simple website. They have around 75 words or so on their homepage, but they are doing some things I wanted to show you that you could do as well to get some more organic traffic in the door for you. So here's a page program called Ahrefs that I like to use to research and compare websites. There's 2 ratings here. There's a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is a power rating that Google gives to your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating, and both of these are raised by backlinks. So we just went over content. We're moving into backlinks now. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you or pointing back to your website. So essentially, it's like a popularity contest. So looking at ACC Construction Company, they have 46 referring domains pointing to 106 backlinks. And looking at you don't have any currently at the moment. You definitely want to have some backlinks in there to strengthen up your website. I don't recommend just meeting that amount that they have. I recommend getting that up to 100 or so. So being around 200 backlinks would be really good and get you guys in a good spot to rank. So in addition to that, I do want to note that not all links are created equal. The best ones to have are those that are relevant to your industry, the services that you offer as well, and that are also from local websites. Those ones will work the best. Alright, so we've gone over content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you a little bit ago here, which is really important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you will rank above them. Now for Perkins, Georgia, I did see that you are ranking in the Google Map pack there, but I know Perkins is not a very populous city. But with that being said, I do recommend also getting your business profile optimized too and getting some reviews in there. Also, I know you also didn't have any reviews, but that'll definitely help you as well get some more business in the door. Last thing I wanted to show you was the traffic that they're bringing in, ACC Construction Company. So right now they're bringing in 143 organic traffic or clicks to their website. Due to the fact that they have some pretty good backlinks and power at their website and trust. And the more trust and power you have, the higher you will be on the search results as well. They also have some really good keywords, which is why they're able to capture some of that traffic. Looking at you guys, you're not getting any currently right now, so you definitely want to do those 3 things so you can get some traffic in the door organically so people can find you. So yeah, that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content and how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I sincerely hope that you will get better whatever is going on. And once again, thank you so much, Jonathan, and have a great day.